Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the automation station here with the PeakBot team. I can't wipe the smirk off my face because Thomas looks like he's in it. Well, obviously is in a new setup. Look like you're underwater or something almost, maybe.
I know it's a little bit. Well, the thing is, it's white walls here. They're like beige.
All right, I think you're making a rookie mistake. Do you have your microphone hooked up?
No, so that's the problem. We have to get a new mic, Ben. That one we determined live last week. Doesn't work. Bad mic.
It is true.
Bad mic, Ben. We ordered a bad mic.
I back him up on that. But
okay. All right, we can troubleshoot.
If you don't have it like this, it doesn't work.
All right, we can troubleshoot. I think there's settings, but we'll roll with it. We'll roll with it.
Anyway, we're here. We're live. Thomas, it's still an upgrade from what you had. Let's be clear.
Well, I needed like a little bit of background decoration right there. What do you guys think? You know, if anybody has like an idea of what should go there.
Neon sign, hashtag hands-free trading. Anyway.
Maybe like a plant.
Yeah, Ben's got a nice plant planted behind him.
Loan me some guitars.
Let's get into the show. All right. We got a lot to cover here today. Me, Thomas, and Ben have been talking all day, probably too much. So let's get through this. We got a great show here today. We have PeakBot Picks leaderboard update for week 15. We have a PeakBot Picks check-in for week 16 with a few hours left on our contracts to see how we're doing. We will be making live PeakBot Picks. PeakBot Picks heavy show, as we know, here on Fridays. So we'll be making picks live from our detailed trend spread watch list for contracts that expire next Friday. So that and much more. We'll probably do a quick SPY analysis. We will take a look at the economic calendar heading into next week and really anything else. If you guys have questions, don't hesitate to reach out, put it out there live in the chat, and let's do it, huh? I can pull up PeakBot Picks leaderboard from week 15 and
let's get some hands-free. Ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, we need hands-free. We need some trader trivia in there too. Don't forget. Ben, you have trader trivia this week?
I'm literally putting it together right now.
All right. Hands-free trades in a minute here. Get your accounts up. I'm expecting not much.
I'm in this.
I'm expecting some iron condors over here.
Yeah, I'm expecting one iron condor on SPY. But I've exited most of my trend spread positions by now and my wheel positions. So I'll get my account up just so people see what we got. Oh, Ben's got his account
I've got mine. We're about to turn over the minute and we'll see some while I'm getting trader trivia all figured out here. We can watch my account. Actually, we can't because trader trivia is in this tab right here. What a mess we are. This is what happens when you've got calls going all the way up until the show. You know, you don't have any time to prepare. Honestly, Thomas, Dillon said it. You look like you're underwater. You sound like you're underwater too.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm in my basement. I'm basically underwater. It used to flood a lot, but we had to fix that. So like at one point this would have been considered an underwater office until we got it.
Your camera quality is a lot better though.
A lot better. And the background, you know, there's no
it's a little bright, but we'll work on it. Okay.
I think I could dim it.
What are you expecting here in a minute, Ben? Couple iron condors, any trend spreads?
Couple iron condors. We got my max position open here. You can see I'm trading the 10 wide.
Oh, I just got it. I just got filled on my SPY. I'm sorry.
You did? You're not even sharing your screen, man.
It's here. Filled on SPY. 46 cents credit.
Here we go. Here, just filled for me. All three of these.
I'll take a penny on Ben on that SPY condor.
Wait, you fill? You filled at 46 cents?
Sure did.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Brutal for me.
Trader's been giving me some great fills on SPX. I can't lie. I'm getting at least 5 cents over some of these other brokerages, sometimes 10 cents.
I got 5 cents. I agree. I got 5 cents on Max's trade today.
I did. I got an extra
15.
Yesterday, I got an extra 5 cents, and the day before that, I got an extra 5 cents.
So this is what we call hands-free trading here, people. Okay, these are trades being made by PeakBot, connected to Tradier here, and of course other brokers, not to be named here on today's show. But yeah, SPY entry on me, beat Ben by a penny. Ben, what were your other ones though? You had nice Dillon Qs. Was it IWM as well?
I had just SPY Qs and XSP. I stopped IWM. I noticed a pattern with IWM. First of all, it didn't earn much premium compared to the others. It was earning around like 30 cents ish, a little over 30 cents on average in premium, where I mean, you can see what just happened. We were earning like 45 cents in premium.
Yep.
So I didn't want to shortchange myself in that regard. And then I also found for some reason on certain days, like it was the opposite legs were closing from my other positions. And I was done with it. I'm done trading IWM on the Condor.
Okay. Good to know. All right. So you saw some iron condors come in there. Do you guys have any trend spreads active now that the window's open? Mine personally are all smart exited. So I'm not expecting entries. I'm just expecting closing of contracts because I didn't have the time to reevaluate my portfolio. Man and machine, still not easy. All right. Well, if we see anything else live come up, let's make sure we notice it and get it on screen. Okay. Otherwise, I think we're ready to move to the PeakBot Picks leaderboard update. Yeah.
Let's go. Ben,
what about Trader Trivia, dude?
I never know when you want to do that, and
every week we do it every week.
Yeah, but when in the show, it's different every week in the show, isn't it?
No, it's always right before. What is it? Hands-free trades? Yeah. Because it's Trader Trivia then hands-free.
Had to. All right, let's get into
it. All right. Here's the question. Everybody listen up. Because this is your opportunity to win 3 free months of PeakBot. If you've been thinking about trying a trading bot and you weren't sure you wanted to do it and you didn't want to pay money for it, well, here's your opportunity to win 3 free months of PeakBot. This is a more technical question. So if you're close, well, I guess it's multiple choice, so you can't really be close. But maybe we'll be forgiving on some of you if you explain your reasoning. But anyways, text the answer to this question on the left to 973-888-1166. If you text the correct answer, we will give you a free 3 months of PeakBot's basic subscription. That's an $87 value. And this is for new subscribers only. If you're currently a subscriber, share that with somebody. If you win, share the link with somebody. So text us because if you get it right, we're going to need to text you back with a link. So the question is, in options trading, what does the term delta represent and why is it significant when selecting strikes for strategies like credit spreads? Is it A, the total value of the premium collected from selling the option? Is it B, the rate of change of an option's price level relative to a $1 move in the underlying asset? Is it C, the difference in strike prices within a spread? Or D, the time remaining until an option's expiration? We talked about delta with Mark Phillips, principal of Harvested Financial, PeakBot partner, back on our Monday show.
Absolutely. Good one. This is not as easy as the rest.
Not as easy as the rest. We weren't going to just go giving away free quarters today. We're going to make people earn it.
We do that in our webinars.
We do.
It's true.
So while we're waiting for that, let's get to the fun fact that did you know? I think we had this one before. I think GPT recycled an answer. You guys tell me if you remember this or not. I still think it's interesting. And for anybody tuning in, I think it's still interesting. Did you know that options have been around since ancient Greece? The Greek philosopher Thales, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it, is credited with using the first known option to reserve olive presses in anticipation of a large harvest. So large harvest, everybody needs olive presses. So he was thinking ahead. He was thinking, well, there's no harvest right now, but there will be, and there won't be any available olive presses. So I'm going to buy an option to use these olive presses in the future. So that way he could be the only one pressing those olives. In fact, actually, when the harvest boomed, as it states, he leased out the presses at a premium. Smart guy. So That is just that's an early example of trading. Not the way that we think about trading conventionally, but
Well, I'm going to look up what year that was. When was Thales around?
Thomas, how do you say it?
That it would be Thales. It would technically be Thales.
Thales?
Thales.
Are you saying that because you have some sort of Greek education, or
a little bit of Greek education? I think it's technically Thales. It's either Thales or Thales or Thales. No, because
all right, enough.
Yeah, because in Greek it's an like an so it's like that. I think it's an A. But I shared my screen.
Oh, I shared mine.
I have an idea for what should go back here.
Well, you're going to interrupt Trader Trivia for that? Wait till we're done, kid.
Trivia for this. And I think that this could be an overwhelmingly great idea to put back here, if you guys can see my tab.
Okay.
I can. We'll get to that. Okay.
All right. We'll get to it in a second. Let's get the answer right here.
So
I was thinking to give people more time.
Last second. Well, they need to know where to text their answer. 973-888-1166. All right. I think we've given the people enough time. The answer is B. And it looks like my copy and paste. Oh, no, it's fine.
There you got it.
The answer is B.
I kept last week's answer in there as well, too. It's this bottom answer, B.
Yeah.
It's the rate of change of an options price relative to the $1 move in the underlying price. So if you texted us B, we will be texting you back very shortly with a link to a free quarter of PeakBot's basic subscription. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Look, I love that Thomas isn't on screen.
What happened to Thomas?
Not sure. Here he is. Okay. Few things. Thomas, your microphone is so bad that you can't hear us when we're speaking and we can't hear you when you're speaking. So let's be selective about this. Very quickly, tell us what you want behind you. Here's the screen.
Not financial advice.
This is not financial advice. I like it. It's funny. We'll talk more about it because it's also very practical. All right.
I think so too. I think it kind of replaces the on-screen.
Make the size bigger. How expensive does it get when you like? I want it to be huge if it's going to be behind you.
It's only 16 by 16. I think that's pretty big.
No, I want like 48 by 48.
We're gonna find a better one.
All right, we'll find.
That's a good idea. All right, so. Boy, let's keep it moving. All right, PeakBot picks. If anybody stops me, I'm just rolling right over you. Here we go. PeakBot picks update from week 15. Okay, let's look at the picks. All right, so Thomas, you win. Okay, we all went 2 for 3. Okay, however, on the picks that were winners, Thomas collected the most premium. Okay, so Thomas wins. The team collectively went 6 for 9. Okay, we set high expectations for ourselves here. Okay, we want to be better than that, but we're happy with each going 2 for 3. Here's the updates. Win rates. I'm still on Thomas's tail by 1 pick. He's at 86.6% correct, 39 out of 45. I'm 1 shy at 84.4%, and Ben has some serious ground to make up, 34 for 44 with a 77.2% win rate, which is still great.
I'm reverting to the mean,
Yeah, somebody has to.
It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. I still hold the title for most wins.
Yes, you do. You're a clutch player. All right, that's all that matters. Like this is Kobe right here. Like RIP. You're going to put up the shots. We're going to hand you the ball in the fourth quarter because you're going to win, but you might miss a couple, and that's fine. Now, Thomas, yes, this is updated. Okay, you're still in third. You have 4 weekly wins, me at 5, Ben at 6. All right, so funny enough, and Thomas, if you're talking, I can't hear you. Funny enough, 2 bears and a bull for each of us. Again, we love copying each other. I don't know what that's about, but these were for contracts expiring on 110. Thomas wins it with 2 call credit spreads on Home Depot and UPS. Let's take a look. Ben's going to get his chart ready. I'm going to pull up our picks that expire today in just 1 second. Let me just pull it up here. All right. What's up?
No, just feedback from Thomas's mic,
Oh, Ben, I have bad news.
I didn't make any picks.
Ben didn't make any picks.
I was just thinking of that.
Do we want to just call it a 1v1 on the week?
Yes.
Yeah.
1v1?
Ben's win rate. Ben, it's on you for not getting the picks in, right? So your weekly win, you're sacrificing it. Your win rate will not be affected because we'll keep you at that lower number. No problem.
Well, do we just want to throw this week up as chop it up, just you and I? 1v1?
Yeah, me and you are
Yeah,
going to
that's-
compete.
No, but then
We're
we don't add it to our trades. Like, it doesn't affect our win rate or anything. No.
Oh, no, it is. Here we go.
Okay.
Thomas is going first. Thomas was 2 bears and a bull. You were bullish on IBM. You earned $59 in premium. You're trying to stay above 212.5 on IBM. That's looking pretty good right now.
All right. Looking
pretty
good.
Bearish on Pepsi. I'm playing that
Uh-oh.
actually in one of my portfolios. Have been for weeks.
Didn't
44
work.
in premium earned. 145 under. Under 145.
Ooh, Thomas, you're getting that bounce back up.
I was right the whole. Oh no, I wasn't right. Where did I go wrong? Can
Hit the
you go
last
back?
5.
Yeah,
Unless
for
those
the
are
last
daily
5 years. What could have happened there? Whoa.
You've been wrong the entire
All
week.
You've been wrong all week.
Yeah.
Bouncing up and down off that 145 level.
Wow.
Yep. All right. 1 for 2. Thomas, I'm really sorry if I'm talking over you. Third one, XOM, bearish, $38 in premium. You're trying to stay below 109 on XOM.
Oh, man.
What? What's happening?
All right, 1 for 3. Couple hours left. You're not all that close on either of them, but we'll see what can happen.
Oh, man.
What's going on? The market really just reversed on me.
Well, funny enough, I copied you again as far as the directions. I also had 2 bears and a
Wait,
bull.
what
So
was
let's-
Thomas's strike? Sorry.
109.
Oh, 109. Okay. That makes sense.
We were about to question my numbers. And it's
Well,
fair.
sometimes we get bear versus bull wrong.
Totally fair. All right, Thomas. Sucks, man. Let's see what I did. All right. I was bearish on Procter & Gamble PG for $20 in premium, trying to stay below 162.5. Ooh, we got $1.
Right there.
Show me the 5-day. I just want to see what it's been doing all week.
Yeah, you're
Wrong.
we're spiking up a little bit today, but I think you'll hold on.
Perfect example of being wrong. I mean, I was bearish on this stock this week. It was nothing but bullish for the most part. And right now, I'm still a winner. Couple hours left. Okay.
Love it.
Bearish on Starbucks. Does Starbucks suck? I wanted it to this week. I'm trying to stay below $95 for $23 in premium. Oh, no. These are both close. Let's see it. All right. Again, just bullish week.
Man, the market gapped up this morning, and
Yeah,
Starbucks
it
gapped
took a
up
ride.
with it.
Rising tide raises all ships, I guess.
Yep.
Let's see if Lulu bullish over 377.5 for $335 in premium, by the way.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, no.
what an abysmal week for the PeakBot team on PeakBot picks.
Wow.
Okay. Well,
Wow. I
right now,
missed an
Ben,
easy
we could have
win.
really used some picks out of you this week, man.
I missed an easy win.
All right. Well, do we give Ben an option to redeem himself with an SPX Lotto? No, let's not. Okay. All right. So stay tuned. We'll have that posted on socials between Thomas and I. If we tie for 1 for 3, I'm taking it with well, it depends. We'll have to see. So hang tight. All right. Let's now move into the live PeakBot picks. Thomas, you won. And I know you were busy on the customer service line. So who do you want to go first?
Ben first, Dillon second. I want to go third.
Okay.
Very
Let's
good.
do
Very
it.
good.
Ben, take your time to get ready. I'll get a clock for you. 5-minute
Yeah.
timer. And by the way, while we're doing this, keep in mind, these are rushed picks for your entertainment. Take your time with this watch list. If we're still winning between 77 and 88% of the time rushing it, there's some great plays in here, people. Don't know what you're doing if you're not automating. Let me know when you're ready, Ben. I don't know how fresh of data you're getting in the 5 blue.
I did just refresh. So if we look here, I got an update still 4 minutes ago.
Okay.
Which is fine. I'll
Okay.
I'll roll with that unless I can stall long enough to make it so that way the data up now. We still have over a minute left.
All right, let's get into it. And you can refresh mid round.
I can. I definitely can. All right, let's get this going. Ready? You got the timer?
Ready? Yep. Set. Go.
Go. All right. So for this competition, I'm gonna go with a high pop because these guys are losers now, and I want to win. So I need a high win rate, which means I need a high probability of profit. So I'm going to look at this core 4 play right here. DoorDash. Thomas, mute yourself, please. I'm getting feedback. $44 in premium. We've got a bullish play on DoorDash. Let's take a look at the chart here. Ticker dash. It's pretty nice. Been choppy the past couple of weeks. Technicals, I think, will say bullish. They do. Not as bullish as I would like to see. Put me down for DoorDash. Bullish. 167.5 strike. 44 premium. 167.5 is right here. We've been bouncing off of that a little bit. Let's see if we break through 175, we should be good. Okay.
Do we want to track the spread, Ben? No.
No.
All right, let's keep moving. Sorry.
That's pick number 1.
Yep.
Okay. So that's $44 in premium, which that matters. Another core 4 pick. Boeing, bullish. Love the buffer. Love the pop. Love the EV. I might take Boeing myself today. $52 in premium. So let's check out Boeing. Oh, is that bearish or bullish? Bullish. So Boeing, ticker BA. Bullish play? I'm not feeling super bullish on this chart. Let's take a look at the technicals.
Been a turbulent year for Boeing.
You see what you did there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay away from that as a bullish play. Don't like it. All right, going back to let's look for some premium. How much time I got left?
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Wow, Netflix. Look at that.
Seems fake.
Well, it's because you need 6,500. Look at that size. The size of that spread. Oh, I like meta, moderate, bullish. Don't like the pop. I like the premium. I'm gonna go for the premium play. I think meta bullish. And then the strike price, we're looking at $600. We're at 611. Oh man, 600. We're just up and down over it. We're gonna need tech to have a good week. I don't know what's coming on next week. All right, give me meta bullish for the 600 strike, $390 in premium. All right, so we need as close to a sure play as we can get here.
Don't overthink it.
I have 2 bulls right now.
Yeah, and we didn't do a SPY analysis, which isn't helping, but oh well.
Oracle as a bear. I do kind of like that, but I'm also in meta, which is tech, which I'm a bull on that. So theoretically, this is hedging my position, but we're not in this to hedge. We're in this to win this. ABBV, ABV. Bearish. Choppy. Technicals are going to be, I'd say, pretty neutral. Yeah, going back and forth. Oh man, I'm coming up on time here. Etsy bearish. Can I get a little Etsy bear? $55 strike. $55 strike. We're moving down. Technicals are all right. Can be Etsy, bearish. $55 strike. We're going for $16 in premium. Oh, you're mute, Dillon. You're muted.
Unbelievable. Well done. Done with 30 seconds. 2 bulls and a bear. And yeah, I actually was liking those that you were looking at. I'm a little upset I didn't go first. All right. I'm up. Let me get everything rocking and rolling here. We're going to get a nice little refresh. And we will go from there. 12:18, 12:22. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, there's my timer going off for you. Let's get this going. Let me change this banner because I'm not Ben. Okay.
Thomas, how you doing over there?
Thomas? Oh, we can't hear him. Is he on mute?
I'm muted, but I'm doing good. I'm in.
We both are muted.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. Dillon, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Set. Go.
Okay. I'm going for high pop. I want to find one that I really like. I don't like going 2 for 3 anymore. And I don't have confidence that Ben's going to go 3 for 3. So I'm going to get Chevron here over 157.5. Oh, no. I don't even have my Tradier account up. You guys might see something for a second, but that's okay.
Boy.
Nothing to hide here. This is on me. This is on me. CVX over 157.5. CVX. Oh, man. Okay, let's look here. Boy, that's a fun chart for the last month on CVX. Boy, that's fun for the last 5 days. Boy, there's not a single sell. Give me CVX. Bullish at a 157.5 for $18 in premium. Thank you.
Sorry, say that again. I'm
Chevron CVX bullish 157.5 for $18 in premium. Thank you, sir. All right. Let's talk to me about a little Google situation over 192.5. Goog over 192.5. I might even, you know what? I want to do a little SPY analysis here. Mid-round. Because I want to know. Okay. All right. Leveling up here is SPY. Google. 192.5. Chop City. Don't love that. But the last 5 days, 192.5. All right. I'm going to keep it in the hopper, but I'm going to look for something else.
What's the premium on Google? Just in case.
49. Yep. XOM call under 115. XOM under 115. Yikes. Moving on. IBM. Did you pick IBM?
I did not.
Did you look at it?
Halfway through. I don't know.
All right. That's fine. 134 bullish on Morgan Stanley. Give it to me. Morgan Stanley bullish over 134 for $26 in premium.
Okay.
All right, now I'm going for a premium play, but I need a high pop. I'm going to go with the first green pop I see here. This is a pretty good
So
setup.
are you trying to replace Google right now?
I'm looking to replace Google, yeah. How much time do I have?
1 minute, 45 seconds.
Intuit TurboTax, bearish. I don't know. It's tax season. Getting there. Bearish under 615. I don't know if this music was loud for others, but it's fine. Into it under 615. It's at 598. I think I like this. I think I like this a lot. Give me it. Replacing Google with Intuit. I feel like I can't say Intuit without saying TurboTax. Intuit TurboTax. Bearish under 615 for $155 in premium.
Okay. All right.
I really like that pick.
With 55 seconds left to spare.
Excellent. Let's get us all back up here. Hey, I feel good about those picks, I have to say.
Good. I'm glad you feel good about that.
YT.
I'm ready.
We're so excited for this. Turn the music down, please. I mean,
Yeah, lower the music. I'll get the new mic. I could stop by Best Buy today.
yeah, you
Well,
want the
we'll
HyperX.
toggle settings. We'll toggle settings.
Yeah, we'll toggle some settings. We'll give it a try.
Yeah. All right.
You ready, Thomas?
Been ready.
Screen up.
I'm up.
All right. Ready? Ben, you got a timer for him?
Yes, but I've got to drop. I'm sending you guys a message right now.
Okay. No
All
worries.
right, thank you.
Timer coming. Hope everything's okay. Thomas, ready when you are.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
All right. Strategy. Trump is getting into presidency.
Get in camera. Get in the lens here.
Am I not in the lens? Am I good now?
Yeah, it's fine. We'll work with it.
So Trump's coming into president next week. Here's some spy analysis. We are finding resistance here. Something is going to have to break that resistance, and I think that something will be Trump. I think that's what they're waiting for, something that he's going to say. Who knows? It's smelling like 3 bulls this week. So we're going to take a look here. Dillon, if you took one of these, just let me know. Actually, I'll fill it on my phone just in case.
I got it.
I have it here. Oh, all right. All right, let's take a look at Disney. Actually, we'll take a look at we'll just look at all 3 of them right there. First one, I don't trust IBM after this week. Let's go Cisco, CSCO. Strike price is $60. Ooh,
Yikes.
that doesn't. Something about that seems off. Let me
We want to
refresh.
move on.
No, let me refresh. I'm about to open to that. JP Morgan at 252.5. I love that. Morgan Stanley at 130.
I took Morgan Stanley.
Okay. You're out of Morgan Stanley. Let's take a look at Citigroup. Is that just capital C? Yes, it is. Strike price is $78. We're so close to the money there. When was the last time we were even at $78? Are we ever at $78 here? Almost never. A long time.
Whoa.
Yeah, long time ago. Was it ever? Whoa, look at this. Look at this. There was a hurdle here at one point, and it dropped down. So you know what we're not going to do? We're not going to mess with that. Lisa, bullish, low, decent.
So you know there's 2.5 minutes left. You have no picks.
I know. This is the struggles of going third. I did it to myself. Pepsi bearish. No, I still believe Pepsi's bearish. 150. GEP 150 is the strike. Has 150 ever been a point anywhere? 5 year. Where was 150? I think we had to start looking at things extremely long term. It was a point of support. Will it find resistance at former support? Possibly. Let's lock it in. Pepsi below 150.
Premium.
Premium is, what is it? 33.
Okay. You have 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining.
Man, I wish Taco Bell was publicly traded. Let's look at McDonald's. I'm actually on a Taco Bell for dinner tonight.
Stop exposing yourself. Stop exposing your youth.
Let's
keep moving.
You don't have to be young or old to enjoy a taco from Taco Bell, women. Right.
You get over 26 years old, you are really careful about your Taco Bell trips.
Look at this buffer here. Bearish 287, or is that bullish? No, that's bearish 287.5. McDonald's $50 in premium. Dillon, lock it in.
287.5 and 50.
287.5 and $50 in premium.
All right, you have 44 seconds.
Oh, okay. It looks like we're gonna take a look at XOM.
I looked at it. I hated it.
Ooh, why did you hate it?
I think it was going the wrong way. Or it was chop.
I think you're wrong.
Take it.
Yeah, give me XOM. Oh, bearish. Yeah, 115. So, this was actually like, I may be.
How much premium?
21.
We're going to need you to report properly moving forward, sir.
Yeah.
With 2 seconds remaining, you did it. Well done.
Look at that, Dillon. I don't know what you missed here.
So hold on. I want to make an observation. Before you went and made your picks, what did you say? All 3 bulls?
3 bulls.
Do you know what you picked?
3 bears.
3 bears.
The setups were there.
Hey, you're right. Look, we can make money in any market here. We're selling options. We can even be a little bit wrong. That's why we love selling options.
I may this XOM pick may actually bite me with Trump coming into office and him wanting to get more oil. May bite me, but support, resistance, or support breaks through it. Now, I think if it were to jump, it's jumping to 115, 116 on the news. The market's going to have to hit reality, and we might see a trickle down for the rest of the week.
Okay. So why don't you pull up SPY and just do a quick analysis, and then we can wrap.
Yeah.
You already kind of gave your analysis, but.
Well, we're in a whole lot of dates.
Yeah.
Right
So
here.
zoom in more. Let's see the last 3 months, maybe last quarter.
Let's go here. You're right. Let's go to just a 3-month chart. So a whole lot of dates, almost nothing. So you could have put an iron condor on this, a fairly wide iron condor in the SPY. You would have for it's obviously an extended period of time, not just a week or 2 weeks. If you had done a 2-month iron condor, you could have won this. Anyway, whole lot of days. Finding support here at around 580, breaks through the 600. The real question is, we're going to break 600, almost determining with the Trump presidency. Are we going to break above 609 is the question, and hit all-time highs. Does Trump send us to all-time highs?
So we don't know.
We don't know. Odds are, I think we get close to it, and I think it's going to be more about what he says, almost like Jerome Powell, right? It's not always about Jerome Powell speaking, it's about what Jerome Powell says. So let's see what he says at his inauguration. Let's see what he first does in office. It's going to be based on what bills he signs. I don't think Jay Powell, is there an FOMC meeting this upcoming week?
Let's look. We can pull up TradingView and see.
Let's go to Forex Factors. We go, okay, so FOMC here, but just speakers. There doesn't seem to be any. Oh, this is the 14th. Sorry, wrong date. Here's next week. Monday, bank holiday. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, no FOMC. So, and not too many economic news. It's just, I think, going to be based on what Trump says and does his first week of office.
Okay. I'm not going to be. I may just play one condor because I think, again, the market could be incredibly volatile.
I wouldn't even play a condor.
Yeah. Well, I have mine.
Condor could be a little bit risky, maybe beneficial to smart exit. But Trump was in 20th. Technically, this is Biden's last day, so Monday is going to have a little bit of a war.
Yep.
At least what time? Do you know what time he gets put in?
I do not. No, we can look it up, but
is it during market hours? If it's during market hours, at 12.
Oh.
So it starts at 12. So maybe best to smart exit it, and hopefully you just get out on swings from your 5-cent good to close orders.
Not financial advice.
Stop sharing.
Not financial advice.
Not financial advice. That's why we need the banner.
Huh?
The banner would be good right there.
Yeah,
because nothing is supposed to be financial advice.
I agree.
Maybe we get a neon sign. That could be again
for you. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. Ben had to jump. Thomas, congratulations on PeakBot picks week 15. We'll see how week 16 goes between you and I. And then, week 17 picks you just saw. So, as always, thank you for tuning in. We are live every Monday and Friday here on the Tradier Hub. PeakBot, the household name for automated trading. If you want a full list of PeakBot's products and partnerships, whether it's our automated trading bots, incredibly easy to use. If you just want access to our watch list for our winning strategies and dynamic market data that updates every 5 minutes, that's available to you for just $5 a week. We have master classes. We have licensed advisors who use PeakBot strategies to place trades for you. Handle your account completely hands-off. So if you want to check out all the things that PeakBot are doing, as well as our automated trading webinars and our live show, head to linktree.com/usepeakbot and check us out. So, Thomas, any parting words for you? We're going to see a new setup again next week, new mic?
New mic. I think I'm going to try and go ahead, maybe stop by Best Buy today. I'll be in the area. That's if Ben can't troubleshoot my mic.
Okay, well that's true. All right. Oh, sorry for cutting you off. Let's wrap. We got a lot of work to do, a lot of customers who need responses and more growth. So again, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. We will be live Monday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern for Man and Machine with Ben, myself, and Mark from Harvested Financial. And I think we're going to be maybe doing an end of week recap later today on our socials. We'll have to see how crazy the day goes. But thank you again to everybody. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Take care, everybody.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.